Hello there everyone. In this video I want to show you how to be able to unlock your Metro PCS iPhone X. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Alright, so this one right here is from Metro PCS. As you can see under carrier here, Metro PCS, and it's activated. It's on the home screen here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what happens when you install a SIM card from another carrier. Let's go ahead and remove the Metro PCS SIM card that's in here. And let's place in from T-Mobile, for example. So I'm just placing in the SIM card. It goes to the activation screen. So activation required, dismiss, swipe up, connect to Wi-Fi so that you can activate the phone, try and activate it. So hit continue. And as you can see, it's already trying to pick up signal from the T-Mobile SIM card, but it is not going to activate because the phone is locked. So as you can see here, it says SIM not supported because the phone is locked to Metro, so you can't use it on T-Mobile. Alright, so I'm going to show you how we're going to unlock the phone and be able to start using it on T-Mobile or any GSM company that you want to use on it. So let's go ahead and remove the SIM card really quick. Let's put that down. So what we're going to need is this unlock chip. We're going to have a link in the description down below for this. This is what it looks like. It's a black thin unlock chip like this. So this is going to go in your SIM card tray with this little tab here that sticks out under the metal part of the SIM card tray like that. And then just place it in there like that. Make sure it's positioned correctly. Okay. And then we're going to get the SIM card that you're going to be using and place it right on top of it. Like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and place that in the phone now. Like I said, there's going to be a link down below. So once again, we're at the activation screen here. So go ahead once again and hit continue once you're connected to Wi-Fi. Or if it allows you with the cellular data network. And once again, we get the SIM not supported message. All right, but now I'm going to show you what we're going to do to unlock it and make it work. So you're going to tap and hold the power button. And this menu down here is going to come up. So hit emergency call. You're going to hit star 5005 star 7672 I'm sorry, and star 0 pound. So just like that, and then once you have that in there, hit dial, and you're gonna get this menu right here. Just scroll down to edit ICCID. Okay, and then here is gonna be the number that you're gonna type in. And then one thing to keep in mind, this number changes has been changing very frequently lately. So but once you put it in and you leave your SIM card in there with the unlock chip, you're not gonna have to change it anymore. The only reason you would have to change it is if you remove your SIM card. Alright, so the number is 8901. And I'm also going to have this number down in the description. 4103 2795. Oops. 2795 2915 and then 5468, and then hit send. And it's gonna say setup okay. So here, hit accept. Okay, and then once you hit accept, we're gonna have to power the phone off and power it back on. Or you can also eject the SIM card and push it back in. But I prefer to reboot the phone. Okay, so once the phone is completely powered off, just press the power button and power it back on. In the description where you can buy this unlock chip, and also for the code that you're going to be using to make it work. Alright, so it's going to take you to this screen once again. Go ahead, swipe up and hit continue. And there we go. After a couple seconds, once you have rebooted the phone and put in the correct code, it's going to automatically unlock it and get you to the home screen and activate the phone. So as you can see, now it's reading the T-Mobile SIM card completely, and we can use the phone now. Okay, so another cool thing is that once you input in that code one time, you don't have to input it in anymore to use other SIM cards. So for example, I'm going to remove the T-Mobile SIM card that is in here. Let's go ahead and remove that. Let's place it down. And let's put in the AT&T SIM card. So AT&T now. Let's go ahead and place it in. Make sure it's in there correctly. And go ahead and hit dismiss once the activation box pops up again. Swipe up, hit continue. And there we go. It has, like I said, activated the phone with this SIM card as well. So you can use any SIM card that you want to use as long as it's GSM. Once you have put in there the correct code with the unlock chip. Alright everyone, so hope this video was helpful to you in unlocking your iPhone X from Metro PCS. And I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace.